नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मराठी दुनिया चॅनलवर मी गैविनंद घोगे आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत करीत आहे। कृपया चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा, व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि नवनवीन अपडेटसाठी बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करणे विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।
Welcome friends on Marathi Dunya channel. You can visit us at www.mymarathiduniya.com. In this video we learn Standard 3 Subject Math Unit number 1 and the topic is Introduction to Geometrical Figures, page number 1, 2, 3. Let me take revision. Quadrilateral, triangle and circle. Here we draw the quadrilateral figures 1, 2 and 3. These figures are quadrilateral and now we draw a triangle. These are various triangles. These figures called triangle, circle. These figures called circle. Look at the picture below. Identify the geometrical figure. Draw it and write its name. Here it is a table. Picture, figure, name of the figure. Look at this picture and draw a figure in this type. Now the name of figure is quadrilateral. Now look another picture and the figure is in this way and the name of the figure is quadrilateral. Look at this picture. The same figure is this one and the name of the figure is triangle. Look at the picture. Draw a figure in this type and the name of the figure is quadrilateral. Look at the picture. Draw this figure in this type. Name of the figure is circle. Identify the triangles, circles and quadrilaterals in the picture. Color the triangles red. Color the quadrilaterals blue and the circles yellow. Look at this picture. You can open your textbook page number 1 and you color the triangles with red color, color the quadrilaterals with blue color and color the circles with yellow color and show it to your class teacher. Edges and corners. Look at this piece of burfi. It is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. You may look here the piece of burfi. It is a quadrilateral and it has 4 edges, means 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4 corner 1, 2, 3 and 4 corner. Look at this picture. Observe the surface of a table. How many edges does the surface have? The surface of table, this is a surface of table and we find out the edges of table. This is first edge, this is another, this one is another and this one is last. It means the surface have 4 edges. How many corner does the surface have? Let we find out the corner of the table. Here it is the first corner, then this one is second, this one is third and this one is last, means fourth. It means the surface have 4 corners. What is the shape of the surface of the table? The surface of the table, the shape of the surface of the table is square or quadrilateral. Rectangle. Now we find out what is mean by a rectangle. Take a rectangle sheet of a paper as shown below. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? Look at this picture. First we find out the edges of the paper. This is first edge, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 4 edges and 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. What do we see? The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite to. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. We find out the opposite side of rectangle are of equal length in this way. Square. Let me find out what is meant by square. Take a look at a handkerchief. It is a square. How many edges and corners does a square have? Look at this picture. This is a handkerchief and the shape of a handkerchief is square. The square have 1, 2, 3 and 4 edges and 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. But first we find out the method of searching. Hold the handkerchief in the middle from top to bottom as well as from side to side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. Then now we shall fold the handkerchief and as shown alongside to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. In this way, the corners match and so do the edges that make them up. Now fold the handkerchief over again. All the edges match in length. Here we see the handkerchief fold and all the edges match in length. All the edges of a square are of equal length. Here it is. In this way we find out all the edges of a square are of equal length. Means when we take one square, we find out a triangle. Note that we got a triangle when we folded the handkerchief. Triangle. How many edges does a triangle have? How many corners? Look at this picture. 1, 2 and 3 edges of the triangle and 1, 2 and 3 corners. It means the triangles have 3 edges and 3 corners. Find this shape in your surroundings. You can find out this shape in your surrounding and write it on your notebook and show it to your teacher. Quadrilateral, rectangle, square and triangle. Use sticks to make the following shapes. You can use sticks to make quadrilateral, rectangle, square and triangle. Draw the shapes from the sticks and show it to your teacher. Complete the table below. Figure. Name of the figure. Number of edges. Number of corners. First we take a figure. Look at this figure. The name of figure is square. Number of edges is 4. Number of corners is 4. Look at this figure. Name of figure is rectangle. Number of edges is 4. Number of corners is 4. Look at this figure. Name of the figure is square. Number of the edges is 4 and number of the corners is 4. Look at this picture. This is a triangle. The name of the figure is triangle. Number of the edges is 3. Number of the corners is 3. Look at this picture. This is a circle. Number of edges is 0. Number of corners is 0. It means circles have no corners and no edges.